So we just started our new chapter, which was reproduction. Like basically, we started class 12th grade, and that we are starting reproduction. The last video we discussed introduction. Today we are going to look what's written in the book. So I'm sure it's clear to you if you have watched that video. Still, if not, I'll just summarize all the points here. So first thing, let's read out this paragraph to know. So let's see what's written. We know that the living things come from. Wait a moment. Okay, so living things come from other living things and these all. So yes, I wanted to introduce a term which is called as progeny. So if you're thinking what's that, so this means if this the bigger cell, this get divided into two other parts, then this again divided into two small parts. This term is also called as uh, progeny. It's like the older ones are called parents. So this means we also term we also term this as a parent. We term this as a parent, and the newly formed are called. So these newly formed are called as progeny. So I'm sure it's clear to you. The rest, what points are next? Let's see. So as I mentioned, all the ones are parents and they termed as progeny. The process and what about reproduction? So process by which living things produce more of their own. So that's called as reproduction. And reproduction is not vital for only living organism, but it's more important for community. And these all important points. It performs yet another important function of transmission, genetic information from one generation to next. Then we have to through natural selection over millions of years, a variety of ways involved: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction as well, these two terms. So let's see what's written. I introduced these both terms in the last video, so let's see what's written in this book. So first thing, if I just make a table, if I just introduce a little, so I'll just introduce about, oh god, I don't know why I'm not able to remove this. Let's see, asexual. First thing, you will see only one parent involved in this process, one parent, no formation of gamete. Secondly, mitotic division, and you'll see no genetic variation, no genetic variation. And you'll see that they have other examples: asexual fission, budding, spore formation, and these all. If I just discuss about sexual, so in this, both parent involved, you'll see formation of gamete will happen, and of course there would be variation in the gamete formation. There would be mitotic division, like crossing over. So these all things were done till last week. Let's see what's written here. So here, asexual is a primitive method. This means quite old method of reproduction by which a new organism is formed by just one parent, as I just mentioned, without the participation of gamete. This means no gamete formation or fertilization will occur. The offspring produced by this method are exact copies. Just this the point that they will have literally same offspring, would be genetically identical, which simply means same. So I'm sure it's clear. Then thus identical to their parent, no variation, as I just mentioned. They seem because of offspring genetically identical. Same point. Sexual reproduction, which is about involving sex cells or the gametes. A male gamete, which is sperm; a female gamete, which is ovum. So these both form zygote, which undergoes development of new individual, which is formed. Sexual reproduction will lead to genetical diversity, adaptability, and alternately, sexual reproduction allow a single parent to generate genetically identical or similar offspring without these. All the reproductive process involves stages such as gametogenesis, mating, fertilization, embryonic development, and the birth of hatching. Hatching simply means when the sexual birds and other people, like, they form new individuals. Otherwise, for human beings, we use birth. Hormones, cellular differentiate, and morphological changes regulate these events. So this was a book line introduction of reproduction. So I'm sure it's clear. Rest will come with the human reproductive system in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.